This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying exact device model and Android build, so you pick a compatible old phone app. Once done, back up your contacts and call logs to Google or export locally. You will want a restore point. If you plan to sideload an APK, make sure to enable Install Unknown Apps for your package installer. Do not leave it on permanently. Now locate the target app version, either via Play Store rollback via app details or a vetted APK that matches your device. You next remove newer updates. Go to Settings Apps Phone app and choose Uninstall Updates when offered, which reverts to the factory version. If that option is not present, download a signed older APK that exactly matches your device architecture and Android level. Then sideload via the Files app or use ADB install R to replace the package. Once installed, open the app and grant call, microphone, and contacts permissions. Make sure default phone handler is set to this older app so calls route correctly. You now verify everything. Place inbound and outbound test calls, check call recording or voicemail behavior, and confirm contacts integration. Once satisfied, reapply custom settings and widgets and restore any backed up logs or contacts if they were removed. If you encounter crashes, permission errors, or missing features, clear the app cache and data, reinstall the older APK, or update back to the Play Store version. If problems persist, factory reset is a last resort. One key tip: keep a current backup before each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.